Hazrat Ata bin Abu Rabah reports that Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent me for some of his task. I went away, after performing it, came back, went to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and greeted him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not respond. I thought, what only Allah Jalla Jalaluhu knows. I said to myself that perhaps Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had got annoyed at my delay. I again greeted him, but he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not respond. Some kind of apprehension more critical than the previous one crossed my heart. Then I again greeted him, so he sallallahu alaihi wasallam responded and said, only this thing impeded me from responding, that I was performing the prayer. He was on his mount and not in the direction of the Qibla. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1217.